Hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Chiddingfold in Surrey. Wanted to show you this combination garden room that's combining a garden store and a garden room. At this particular one being used as a gym, and it's maximising the 30 square metres, so 8.2 wide by 3.75 deep in our standard anthracite. As I stand back here, before I go much closer, I want you to know that we've done what we call the LowE Glass. That's a heat reflective glass. It has this lovely mirrored quality, and you can see it really works well with the anthracite colour and reflects the garden back at you. I'm only halfway down the garden. If I pan back even somewhere near the house is around here, and it's just that nice reflection back into the gardens. A lovely addition. Plus it's a really eco glass, holding the heat in the winter and stopping the sun and the heat coming in, the UV light coming in the summer. This is 2 meters away from all of the boundaries, 2 meters at the back there, the right hand side, plus considerably more on the left because of the tree. So we've gone that 2.5 at the rear and 3 meter at the high side, maximising the permitted development rules. Inline sliders in aluminium with a UPVC window on the side. And you can see we've set the window on the side back the same amount as the front. That gives a nice corner in the room to put a unit and things like that. At the moment being used as a gym, but will be used as other things as the years evolve and lockdown stops. If I open these nice doors up, the inline slider is a really neat and tidy way of giving you a large opening. So quite basically set out at the moment, TV on the wall, internet provided, lighting, heating, sockets, all of that. Couple of new bits of equipment still waiting to come in that are on order. The V200 on the walls, ceiling with the V12. Now that's become very much our standard setup. The client really likes the technology of these buildings, so the smart lighting, there's actually no light switches in there. It's all done remotely off a phone and with settings and pre-settings. Big store with double doors there, just opened one of those, and then into a real huge storage building, unlined with the ventilation you can see running on the back there. We just get some airflow through, so if you're not insulating the building, you need to get airflow through it. And lovely big double hardwood doors, all in the V100. See the doors marry in very nicely. That extra height, we actually make the doors and the windows a bit higher in that one as well. Yeah, so there you go. So it is a 8.2 by 3.75 combination garden room, so that's combining two things, set up as a gym but it's ready to be done and used as anything in the future. If this kind of garden building is of interest to you, give us a call, keep up to date at our socials, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please like, subscribe and share. We're really trying to get out there what we're doing at Baker's Garden Buildings. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.